Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. In this video, I will show you on how to disable or stop all digital AI assistant on your Android phone, whether Google AI Assistant or Copilot AI Assistant or Google Gemini AI Assistant or Firefox AI Assistant. How can you disable them on your Android phone in a single click? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Go ahead and click on search right here. What you want to do is to type in defaults right here. Hit on search. Go ahead and click on default apps. Proceed with default apps. Go ahead and click on digital assistant app. Go ahead and click on default digital assistant app. Then you have all the AI app right here, such as Bing, Copilot, Firefox, Forlax, and Google AI Assistant, and the Gemini are the likes. How do you disable them? Just switch to none right here. Once you switch to none, all this AI app here will no longer be used in your Android phone any longer. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.